So the Patterns Beatmaker is a MIDI sequencer, essentially speaking. And one of the cool things about working with MIDI is that you can keep all of your data here, so the work that you've made, but change how it sounds. So I'm going to hit this tab here. It's going to open up the entire library of sounds. And because we're working with drums and machines, there's different collections, kits, machines, percussion, and processed sounds. So all of these different sounds are at your fingertips. So you can preview each kit. Obviously, the decision that you make is to suit the vibe of the song that you're working on. So if I was making an EDM build up and drop and all this sort of thing, I probably wouldn't want a traditional sounding drum kit. So different samples change the feel of the genre.